Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to expand this one. The square root of x, that is about x to the power of 1 over 2. Next, this one divide by this one, and this one divide by this one, and number 1 divide by this one. So number 2 minus 1 over 2, we have 3 over 2. 1 minus 1 over 2, we have positive 1 over 2. And now we have the formula in here. The integration of s to the power of n dx, we have s to the power of n plus 1 over n plus 1, and we put about c. And now we can apply the formula going here, here, and here. And this one in here, we have 5 over 2. We have 5 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 3 over 2. This one we have 1 over 2. And 1 over 2. And that is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.